Requesting an inspection via the Customer Self-Service Dashboard, or CSS. You will navigate to your dashboard either by using a saved link to the Customer Self-Service login page or by going through the City of Grants Pass website. From the home page of the City of Grants Pass website, you will scroll down to the Licenses and E-Permitting card. When you click on this card, it will open the page that lets you choose to log in or register, search public records, explore maps, and pay an invoice. To log in, we're going to click on the box that says Log in or Register. Should this action populate a box that states you are navigating to a different page, click OK. By clicking OK, it will bring you to the Sign In to Community Access Services page. Here, we are going to enter our email address and then click Next. If this is your first time logging in to your CSS dashboard, you may see the options to verify with an email or verify with password. If you choose Verify with Password, you will enter your password each time you log in. If you choose to verify with email, the system will email you a code to log in with each time you log in. Once you have entered your password or your code, please click Verify. This will bring you back to the home page of the CSS. However, there are two small differences on this page from the previous page. Please note, your name will be in the upper right corner next to the shopping cart, and on the black banner next to the Home button, it now says Dashboard. From here, please click on Dashboard. On this page, you will see my permits, my plans, my inspections, my invoices, and my licenses. Under the Permit and My Plan headings, you will see Attention, Pending, Active, Recent, and Drafts. Each of these links will take you to a list of permits in that category. Locate the permit number you want to request an inspection for, then click on the blue hyperlink permit number. By clicking on the blue hyperlink permit number, you will navigate to the permit. On this page, you will see your permit number in the upper left corner. Permit details, summary, locations, fees, reviews, inspections, attachments, contacts, subrecords, and more info, progress, workflow, and available actions. Under available actions is where you will locate the inspection you are looking to schedule. When you have located the inspection, click on the blue Request button. This action will bring you to the Inspection Request page. On this page, you will have the opportunity to choose on which day you would like to have your inspection completed and to input your name, phone number, and any gate or door codes that may be required. Your name, phone number, and possible gate or door codes is required information. Without this information, we are unable to process your request. You will receive a confirmation screen with a green check mark showing your inspection has been requested. If you have additional inspections to request, you may click the back button to take you back to the permit summary page where you can repeat the steps to request additional inspections. If you have no other inspections to request, you may log out at any time.